I made a friend. I met him near the seashore. We're friends now. If you want to play again, come to the shore and blow this. When I hear the conch shell, I'll come from wherever I am. What do you want?
My birthday party's in 10 days, and everyone in the past is gonna be there. I drew you a map so you wouldn't get lost. You're coming, aren't you?
Well,
Oh, come on! I don't care if they don't come, but you gotta be there!
why is that?
Maybe because you're my only friend?
You're my only friend, too.